Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is like if you got plants, my sister gave me this plant and it lives without being in soil or any form of plant. But I notice like when I get fruit and stuff like that, I will attract the nets and the fruit flies, and then they'll start to eat my plant. And I got a lot of these little plants. So this is warm water, okay? And it's going in the spray bottle. This is peppermint oil. So you take couple drops of warm water, peppermint oil, okay, and one little spurt of dish detergent, okay. Alexa, if I take warm water, peppermint oil, and dish detergent, will that help to keep the bugs off of my plants from eating my plants?
Yes, mixing warm water, peppermint oil, and dish detergent will create an effective bug repellent for your plants. Mix 10 to 15 drops of peppermint oil with 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap in a spray bottle. This natural spray will help protect your plants from pests without harmful chemicals.
So you see that? You can spray your plants because the bugs will come in from the fruit and stuff and they will eat up the plant. So I do a natural. And it's also good for like spiders.
You can spray your plants with the warm water, peppermint oil, and dish detergent mixture to keep bugs away from your fruit plants. This natural repellent will help protect your plants without harmful chemicals.
So you see that, guys? So just wanted to share more stuff. So if you got your plants and you notice the bugs is coming in, eating them up and stuff like that, and you like, oh my gosh, you know. So yeah, you can do the natural repellent, and you can also spray it around your home and cracks and stuff like that because it also deters spiders and ants. Alexa, this peppermint water spray good to deter spiders and ants?
Peppermint water spray is effective at deterring both spiders and ants. The strong scent of peppermint oil disrupts the sensory receptors of these pests, making it difficult for them to locate food or follow pheromone trails.
Alexa, is peppermint oil also good you could spray out in your garage to keep the field mice from coming in?
Peppermint oil can help deter mice in your garage. Its strong scent is unpleasant for mice, but it may not be a complete solution. For best results, use it as part of a comprehensive pest control strategy.
So it'll deter the little field mice that try to run through your garage, you know, a little bit. You know, you'll have to, you know, the smell is going to die down, so you'll have to always kind of remember to kind of like spray. So yeah, but that's how I've had these. And I'm not a plant person. My sister had got me, it was one leaf, and I turned the one leaf into multiple leaves. And then when you do have the plants that's in these jars, you can clean them and clear the water up because the water will get all dirty and gunky. So I always clean them too, put fresh water in there also to keep it looking, you know, not all gross and icky. So, but yes, you can make a repellent for your plants and stuff like that, and especially like the ants and the spiders. But yeah, I clean them and put them back in the water after I clean them. And I spray that because, yeah, the little bugs was coming and trying to eat my little plants. And I'm like, oh no, not my little plants. So I wanted to share that with you guys also, a natural plant repellent where you don't always have to go out and buy a lot of stuff. And my essential oils, this big bottle comes from Amazon. It is about $21 and it lasts a long time. So yes, add this, and then you can use it as a house freshener too because it's peppermint oil. Okay, it's peppermint oil. So, but yes, guys, you guys have an awesome day. Toodles.